विद्या विनय संपन्ने ब्राह्मणे गविहस्तिनि शुनि चैव श्वपाके च पंडिताः समदर्शिनः. Krishna says, a wise person sees equality in all beings, whether a learned Brahmin, a cow, an elephant, a dog, or even someone considered lowly. Solutions to overcome discrimination are: see everyone as equal. Wisdom is not just knowledge, it is also the ability to treat all beings with fairness and respect. Practice humility and empathy. Treat others with kindness, regardless of status, species, or background. Challenge prejudices. Notice when your mind labels someone as inferior or superior and consciously counter it. Act inclusively. In your daily life, extend fairness and generosity to all, not just to those you like or admire. इहैव तैर्जितः सर्गो येषां साम्ये स्थितं मनः निर्दोषं हि समं ब्रह्म तस्माद् ब्रह्मणि ते स्थिताः. Krishna says, those who have conquered the mind see all creation with equality. They are established in Brahman, seeing all beings as free of fault. Solutions to overcome discrimination are: cultivate mental balance, work on observing people without judgment, see their inner essence rather than external differences, avoid blame and criticism, recognize that everyone has strengths and weaknesses, focus on understanding rather than labeling, practice meditation and self-reflection. A balanced mind naturally reduces prejudice and discrimination. See the divine in all. Understanding that everyone is connected spiritually fosters equality and compassion. आत्मौपम्येन सर्वत्र समं पश्यति योऽर्जुन सुखं वा यदि वा दुःखं स योगी परमो मतः. Krishna says, a yogi sees the same self everywhere. Whether someone experiences pleasure or pain, he remains detached and equal-minded. Solutions to overcome discrimination are: practice empathy. Try to feel what others feel. If someone is suffering, recognize that it could be you in their place. Cultivate impartiality. Don't favor someone just because they are pleasant or easy to work with. Balance reactions. Respond to joy and suffering with the same sense of fairness and compassion. See unity in diversity. Everyone is part of the same life force. This awareness reduces discrimination naturally. समोऽहं सर्वभूतेषु न मे द्वेषोऽस्ति न प्रियः ये भजन्ति तु मां भक्त्या मयि ते तेषु चाप्यहम्. Krishna says, I am equal to all beings. I have no enemies and no favorites. But those who worship me with devotion are especially dear. Solutions to overcome discrimination are: treat all beings equally. Practice the mindset that no one is inherently your enemy or superior. Avoid favoritism. Decisions, actions, and relationships should not be biased by personal likes or dislikes. Focus on virtue, not external labels. Respect comes from character and action, not caste, wealth, or status. Develop compassion and devotion. Genuine care for others transcends discrimination and fosters equality.